Lesson 9. The Band. Part A questions. 1. Why did Mr. Avies encourage Nitin to sign up for drumming lessons? Ans. Mr. Avies encouraged Nitin to sign up for drumming lessons because he noticed Nitin tapping to beats in the class. He realized that Nitin could follow a beat well, so he motivated him to join music lessons. 2. Whom did Nitin meet before his first drumming lesson? Ans. Nitin met Naimi before his first drumming lesson. 3. In what ways are Nitin and Naimi different? Ans. Naimi is confident and eager to perform in the concert. Nitin is shy and nervous at first, but he becomes confident later and helps Naimi before the concert. 4. Why did Nitin feel suddenly unwell? Ans. Nitin felt suddenly unwell because he was very nervous before going on stage for the concert. He got scared about performing in front of so many people. 5. In what ways did Nitin seem to be more confident at the end of the story? Ans. Nitin became more confident because he encouraged Naimi with strong, supportive words and was ready to perform on stage. He spoke more than he ever had before, and he was not scared anymore. B. Reference to context. Read the lines and answer. First, because other children might get distracted. A. Who says these words and to whom? Ans. Mr. Avies says these words to Nitin. B. What are they talking about and why do they say this? Ans. They are talking about Nitin practicing drumming during lecture. Mr. Avies says this because he thinks Nitin's loud drumming might disturb the other children. First, reference to context. Because other children might get distracted. C. What did the person being spoken to do after this? Ans. Nitin agreed and stopped practicing during lectures. Second, how about Nini? A. Who says these words and to whom? Ans. Nitin says these words to Nimi and Akko. B. What are they suggesting this for? Ans. He is suggesting this as the name for their band. Second, how about Nini? C. Where did the idea come from? Ans. The idea came from combining the names of the band members, Ni, Arko, Nimi, Nitin. C. Words and meanings. 1. Use these words in sentences, then, thin. We went to the park, and then we had ice cream. She is taller than her brother. She drew a thin line on the paper. C. Words and meanings first. Use these words in sentences, B. Flower, flow, flew. The glass has a small flower. The river will flow to the sea. The bird flew high in the sky. C. Words and meanings 1. Use these words in sentences, C. Loss, less, lass. The shop had a big loss last month. There is less milk in the cup. The young lass is playing in the garden. C. Words and meanings. First part. Use these words in sentences, D. Burn, born, ban. Be careful, the fire can burn your hand. I was born in April. The cows are kept in the barn. C2. Use these words in sentences of your own. A. Focus, I focus on my homework. B. Distract, loud noise can distract me. C. Rehearse. We rehearse a song for the school program. D. Practice, I practice reading every day.
Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe and share. We'll meet again in the next lecture.